as the countries who cannot defend against itself are sometimes need help. So BRICS also help in such cases. Today's my lecture topic is BRICS. What is BRICS? BRIC is the global organization. It is a huge emerging market. It is the main grouping of the countries with emerging market, that is the Brazil, India, China, Russia and South Africa. Earlier it was only known as BRIC, but after adding of the country of South Africa in 2009, it was called BRICS. It is a greater organization and which is mainly used to develop the different countries constitute in it. It mainly depends on the sustainable development and the emerging flow of the market, also to help the people from different countries. It is an annual summit and it is held every year. Yeah, the chairpersons of the BRIC is rotated according to its alphabetical order, that is BRICS, BRICS. Also, the 40% of the world's population is constituted in it, and the 30% of the GDP depends on it. The BRICS, the main reasons of the main reason of introduction of BRIC was the 2008 financial crisis. The first summit was held in Russia in 2009, which included mainly the global financial architecture infrastructure. So it was main reason for the countries of to grow up with the ever leading in economic crisis to overpass it. The main areas of cooperation are the economy cooperation and also the people to people cooperation, also the security related issues, as the countries who cannot defend against itself are sometimes need help. So BRICS also help in such cases. Also, the ever leading poverty can be maintained by such organization. The National Development Bank was introduced in Shanghai in this 2012 summit of in New Delhi. It was introduced that the National Development Bank should be introduced, and it was introduced in Shanghai. It helps in the development of the and providing of the different types of resources, like if there is a climate change, disaster, calamities, BRICS helps in such situation to these countries. Also, there are many challenges which are been facing against it. As we can see that the India-China standoff is a main military standoff which is going between India and China, which can create a huge impact on this organization and the development of such India and China countries. Government should take actions against such and to help increase the cooperation with different countries. So BRICS should also take such initiatives and to increase the situation like this. Thank you.